How to delete archive file from Outlook, or how you can delete your backup archive PST file from your Outlook. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So now I just open my Outlook here, and when you archive anything, if you archive your inbox or anything, the all data file will be come here, and you can see all offline data file here. So you can see I have only one data file, which is archive file. How you can delete this is also called PST file. So in order to delete your archive data file, go to the file option, and here under the file option you can see the account setting, and under the account setting you will have to click on account setting button, and here window will be open. Now just go to the data file, and this is my email ID. I use 3 email ID here. I have 3 account here, mailbox you can see, and this is my data file. This is my Outlook data file. This is my PST. I just rename it. It is also data file, and this is my calendar. So what you need to do, just select the data file and click on remove. I just select this one and just remove. It will be removed. You can see one data file has been removed. Just click on OK. So that is how you can delete the archive data file or PST file from Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.